guys, this is Shrestha and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. So for today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 favorite primers. And by the way, this is the first video of the series that I'm going to start. And I'm actually starting today. That is my top 5 favorite. In this series, I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite products from each category of makeup. Like makeup has a lot of layers, right? We use primer, then foundation, then concealer, then setting powder, compact powder, blushes, and etc, etc, etc. So for each category I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite, and for today's video I have brought to you my top 5 favorite primers, and this is the number 1 episode of this series. So I hope you will like it, and if you already like this idea and if you're excited about it like I am, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell, which will allow you to get a notification every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. For my first primer that I want to talk about is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is the primer. If you are following me on my Instagram, or if you do follow my videos regularly on YouTube, then you must be knowing how much I love this primer. Actually, you must be knowing all the products if you are really following me. But then okay, if you are not, I will love you to follow me on Instagram, and the account details will be in the description box below. So yeah, coming back to this primer, this is a primer. This is a silicone based primer, I will tell you, and it smells really nice first of all, and it also blurs all the imperfections on your face. It fills up all the pores, and also it makes your face very smooth to apply your makeup, and also it gives you a very clean and very smooth canvas to work with. So I really love this product. You get around 30 gram of product for rupees 700, and if you're wondering what I'm looking at here, I have a literal notebook ready with all the details of whatever I'm going to talk today. So yeah, this is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Lakme is available everywhere, online, offline, in all the shops near you. So you can grab this one, and also this is not for only oily skin or normal skin or combination skin. It suits all the skin types. Like my friends with dry skin type also uses this, and they don't face any problem. It clings on the makeup very well. It helps the makeup to stay on for a very long time. So I will really recommend you to get this product if you are looking for a good primer on a budget. So yeah, this is the number 1. For my second primer, I want to talk about, like, I guess this is my most favorite product from the drugstore, though I don't know if this brand is a drugstore brand, but of course we cannot call Color Bar the high-end brand. So this is the Perfect Match Primer from Color Bar. This is for rupees 850, and you get around 30 ml again. So yeah, this is also a silicone based primer, and this one basically helps to fill in the pores, and it doesn't leave any tint on your face. But again, after you have applied this, when you are applying the makeup, the foundation, the concealer, they just apply so smoothly, so nicely, so seamlessly. Like it feels like you are applying it on a piece of paper, on a piece of smooth paper, not on your face. So it really smoothens your face, and also it helps the makeup to cling on for a very long time. And I'm an oily skin type girl, so I need my makeup not to run down or melt down very easily. So this one helps me quite well. So I love this product. So if you again want a good primer, you can choose between these two or any of these. Although the other 3 I'm going to talk about are a little bit pricey, but these two are really in budget. And also you need very little of both the products, so it lasts you for a very long time. So yeah, this is the second in the list. Although I'm talking about all these products by one, it doesn't mean that I love them like this. Like I love this one first and this one second. It's not like that. Basically, I have categorized them according to the prices. So yeah, this one was the cheapest one in my list, and this is the second one in the list. For my next one, I am going to talk about the Professional Matte Rescue Primer from Benefit Cosmetics. If you don't know Benefit, then it is available in Sephora. Also Benefit is available on Nykaa as well, so you can get from anywhere you want. This is the Professional Matte Rescue one, and this is a gel based primer. It is not at all a silicone based. Like it seems like it is a silicone based, but trust me, when you apply it, it feels like you are applying a aloe vera gel, and actually it gives you cooling effect, which is very nice for my skin, at least because I'm an oily skin type and my skin heats up a lot more, so it helps down to cool my skin. And also when it dries down, it goes totally matte. And what this does is, the primary thing this does is, it keeps your face matte. If you are from a oily skin type family like I am, this is the one which will help you not melting down your makeup. Like, it will help your makeup to stay on forever. And also, this blurs your pores, not that much like this one does, because this one has a little bit of tint in it. But yeah, this one surely does blurs your pores, but this doesn't show up on your face. Like, you will not have any problem applying any makeup on this one because it doesn't have any color. And you see, this has totally gone dry, and look at both my hands, like how dry this one looks normally, and how this one is not that dry. See, this is the thing it does. And I swear by this primer when I go to a party, or maybe an event where I know that I will be dancing, or maybe I will be having a lot of work, but again I have to look presentable throughout the day. This is the one. This is the primer I go for. So yeah, that is the third one I wanted to talk about. Oh, by the way, you get again 50 ml. Oh, you get 50 ml for rupees 2720. I know this is a bit pricey, but again, you need a very little. You saw how much I applied to my hand. You maybe need a little more for your whole face. Like, I need just that much, a pea-sized amount for my face, and it is done. It is completely done. So for my fourth one, I want to talk about my Estee Lauder, the Mattifier Shine Control Perfecting Primer. This is the one. Although I did not knew about it, like, I wasn't really, into primers from Estee Lauder. I was always into the foundation from Estee Lauder. But once I was, just checking around in the counter of Estee Lauder, and I just came by this, and I saw the Mattifier Shine Control, and I was like, Shine Control, Mattifier, these are the words which pulls me towards them, because again, I'm oily skin type and I want anything that mattifies my skin. So I wanted to give it a try. They first gave me a sample and I was blown away by using that. I won't tell you that this primer helps your makeup to stay on forever, no. But the way it mattifies, oh my god, like, I cannot explain you. Like, the way you see it mattified my hand, the professional one it won't mattify your skin like that. But once you applied the makeup and once it's done, you will see the change. You will notice the difference. So I don't know why it was coming out, so I'll just show you the texture. This is a creamy texture. This is like a cream, and you just need to put it on your face, and you just massage it like a moisturizer, not too harshly. You give it some time, and it will sink down in your skin. Your skin will absorb it totally, and it might not feel totally matte like this one, but once your makeup is done, once you have applied your foundation, your concealer, and you have set with your powder, this helps the makeup to stay mattified for the longest of time. I'm telling you, see, when you touch it, it does feel a little silicone-y, although it is not a silicone based primer, but it does feel a little bit. But I don't mind that, because after this one, whatever makeup I put on, it does help my makeup to stay mattified for the longest of time. So I really love this product, and once I pair this one with the Estee Lauder's the Double Wear foundation, my favorite foundation, like, this combination is like a life-saving combination. It's the win-win situation. So yes, this is what I love using. And also I will tell you that if you are looking for a good primer for your special day, maybe, or maybe you do a lot of makeup like me, or you have a lot of programs or events to attend, then I will suggest you get this primer. You get hands on this primer. By the way, you get 30 ml of product for rupees 2950. Again, a bit pricey, but this lasts for a very long time, trust me. Okay, moving on to my last product for today's video. This is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. that's a mouthful, right? I know, but this is the one. This is the primer. Like, how sleek does this look? Just look at the packaging, like the matte finish and the glass bottle. It looks so bougie. It feels so heavy. I love things with bougie packaging. So again, this primer is not a silicone based primer. It comes in with a pump, but somehow I have managed to destroy the pump, so it doesn't work right now. But yeah, I can work it, like, you know, I can open this up and get the product out. I can, I'm telling you I can. Wait. Yeah, see? I do take it out like this. I know it is not a very hygienic way to do it, but I am left with no other choice. I don't know why this pump, you know, stopped working like this. But it doesn't matter, I do use it anyway. And as I showed you, it is again like a lotiony consistency. Like, where should I show you? Okay, I'm showing you right here. You know, it is again like a lotiony consistency. It feels like I am putting on a body lotion or maybe a moisturizer on my face, and that is quite a lot. You don't need so much for your face. You need half of the amount I used. So yeah, once you massage it in on your face, it feels like you have put on some kind of a moisturizer. It does feel a little bit tacky, but once you apply the makeup and your makeup is done, it totally goes matte and it helps your makeup to stay on for the longest of time. I know I'm repeating the same thing for each one of them, but I cannot help, they do work similar. I won't say that they work exactly like each other, but they do work similarly. That is why I love them. And there is a little bit of, you know, price distinction in between them, and I have tried to maintain that versatility in my videos or in this series. Like, wherever I'm going to talk, whatever I'm going to talk about, I'll be talking about from all the price range, so you can choose whatever suits you, whatever is in your budget. So yeah, coming back to this primer, as I said, this is a lotiony one. This feels like a moisturizer. It feels a little bit of tackiness on your face, but then once it dries down, once you have applied your makeup, once you have set it nicely, it totally goes matte and it keeps mattified for the very long time. And yeah, I really like this product. I use this especially on the functions or on the programs, like if I have to attend a wedding ceremony or any birthdays or anything that, you know, where I might need to put up a lot of makeup, and also I need that makeup to stay on for very long. I applied this primer and I really love this primer, and I really recommend you, if you would like to get hands on this. I don't know if you can get it in India, get shipped to in India, but of course you can check Beauty Horizons, from where I get all my international products, and I'll be linking that website down in the description box, so do check that out. They do sell these products. So yeah, this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter one, and you get 32 ml of product for $32. You do the calculation, please don't tell me to do the calculation. I don't even remember what is the price of the dollar right now in India, but you can check it online, right? So please do the calculation. I know that I paid $32 for this one. And yeah, so this is the last one I wanted to talk about, and with this I am completing my top 5 favorite primers. And also with this I'm going to end my today's video. I hope you liked it, I hope you enjoyed it, and as I said, if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what are your favorite primers, and if is there any new primer in the market that I should try and review or anything like that. I would love to know, and I would love to do that for you. So yeah, that is it. That has been said. I'm going to end this video right here, and I promise you to see you on my next video. Bye.